Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Prism, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Prism app on your device. If you haven't already, create an account using your email or social media. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Click on the Add Bills button to start entering your bills. Enter your utility bills, such as electricity, water, and gas. Make sure to include due dates and amounts for each bill. You can also add subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify. Next, input any recurring expenses like rent or mortgage payments. After entering all your bills, navigate to the Accounts section. Link your bank account by following the on-screen instructions. This will help track your income and expenses automatically. Once your account is linked, review your income details. Make sure to enter all sources of income, such as salary or side gigs. Next, set up a budget by clicking on the Budget tab. Choose categories for your spending, like groceries, entertainment, and savings. Allocate a specific amount to each category based on your financial goals. Use the calendar feature to visualize when bills are due. This will help you plan your spending for the month. You can set reminders for upcoming bills to avoid late fees. Check the spending section regularly to monitor your expenses. Adjust your budgets if you find yourself overspending in certain categories. If you receive any extra income, consider adding it to your budget. Review your budget at the end of each month. Make note of any adjustments needed for the next month. Prism also provides insights into your spending habits. Use these insights to improve your financial health over time. With consistent use, you'll develop better budgeting practices. Enjoy your journey towards smarter budgeting with Prism. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.